In data recovery, we know that we're supposed to back up our data, and there's different ways to do it, and that's what this section's about. Now, if you're going to do manual backups, then you could do full, differential, or incremental, which we go specifically through in operations. But the full backup is just what it sounds like. You're backing up all the data. Differential is you're doing a backup since the last full backup. Incremental means you're doing a backup since the last backup, no matter what it is. So if you'd have a full backup and then you did differential, that would be the deltas or the changes since the last full backup. If you do incremental, then you could have a full backup and then do a backup like every week. And what it would do is just capture the changes, the deltas that happen every week. So in incremental, you have to lay down, recover the full backup, and then you have to put all the incrementals on top of each other in sequence to get back to the date or the proper version of the data itself. So the backups themselves need to be properly protected, whether they be on-site, but they really should be off-site. And there's been a lot of stories in the news about different companies losing its sensitive data, and it could definitely happen through backup tapes. Companies have lost thousands of account information because their backup tapes got lost or stolen.